Name a more iconic duo. I'll wait. So today we are actually in New Jersey picking up my sister because we're gonna head into the city. I know it sounds a little crazy to come to Jersey to go back into the city, but today I am getting my teeth fixed. Not really getting my teeth fixed, but I am getting aligners. For the longest time, for the longest time I've really wanted braces because I have a gap in between my teeth and I kind of just let it happen. It was too expensive for me and I got over it. Then my teeth started crowding at the bottom and I started getting the itch to want Invisalign. But Invisalign is so expensive. Hi. So anyway, I found this company called Candid Co. and they basically take all of the trouble out of getting aligners out of the equation. So they send everything to your home. You don't have to visit an orthodontist or anything like that, and it is 65% less than getting aligners. And I've teamed up with them, so if you use code JAY25, you get 25% off your impression kit. Your impression kit is sent to your house, and basically you just kind of do your impressions at home, send it back, and in a short amount of time you get your full set of aligners in the mail, so you don't have to wait every week to get your aligners. You don't have to go to doctors' offices, which is so great because as you guys know, I've been dealing with the whole pelvic congestion thing, and for me, driving sucks, going to appointments sucks. So this is great. And today I'm actually going to their offices in New York. So instead of doing the impressions, I'm gonna be doing it in their office. You also have that choice if you live in New York. You can go to their offices and not have to pay for an impression kit, and it's completely free. But if you aren't in New York and need to do the impression kit in the mail, make sure that you use code JAY25 for 25% off of that. So let's go ahead. I'm so excited. I have been waiting to do this for years. Ah! So let's go. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Ready? Let's go. No, not there. The other car. Okay. Say hi. Hi. Hello. We're on our way now. Look at these. They're gonna be straight soon. Like mine? Yeah, she's a hygienist, so she's just coming to be nosy.
I expect to see
What they're gonna do
to you.
All right, so we'll see. We'll see. So excited. I keep forgetting that I have to look here and not here.
Oh, I was looking up there.
I know.
It's alright, I got sunglasses. Nobody saw it.
Yeah.
There it is. I believe I did her cleaning about 8 months ago.
Okay.
X-ray, yeah.
Perfect. You don't have anything coming up either, right? And do you have a corona retainer?
No.
Okay. Great. So, can we get you a water or anything? Okay. We have flat and sparkling. Which do you want?
So fancy. Yeah, I have no idea where we parked.
He's getting ready to get scanned. Look how cool everything looks. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
I'm so excited.
You're finally gonna get straight teeth.
So here I am actually getting ready to get the scan done. My tech was super duper amazing and helpful, and right now he's just gonna take a few pictures. So I had a little modeling shoot for my teeth. Here I am working it, and everything was really clean. So now I'm going to be putting these wonderful things in my mouth, and check out that beautiful smile. And now he's going to get some close-ups of my bite and teeth. And all of this is to send off to an orthodontist. So here comes the coolest part, which is the actual scan itself. And he's going to take that wand that you see right there and then glide it across my teeth. And he's actually going to be able to show me, as he's doing it, I can see the 3D image of my teeth, which is so cool to watch. By the way, this is not painful at all.
And then all the aligners should be in here. That is so cool.
So this will actually be your entire treatment plan.
Okay.
This one happens to be set up for 6 months just because that's an average for us, but it could be longer or shorter depending. In every slot there'll be a set of aligners. You'll wear each pair for about 2 weeks before moving on to the next step. Specifically, every day you're going to wear them for 22 hours. It's important to take that break just so that your teeth can breathe, and your periodontal ligament, which is what we're moving your teeth with, heal incrementally throughout the process.
It's like a modeling shoot for my teeth.
Want to see something fun?
Sure.
This is how your teeth are now.
It looks like that.
And look, they're upside down. You never get to see them like that.
We just left. The whole process was so cool. Everybody was so nice. And I got a swag bag and a really cool toothbrush. The experience was really nice. They answered questions I didn't even have. So I can't wait to show you guys all the stuff. So excited.
So I was so excited yesterday that I completely forgot to explain to y'all what happens next now that I've gone to the actual Candid Co and had my scan done. So now that they have my scan and the images of my teeth, that is then sent to their orthodontist. They have a list of orthodontists that work with them, and they're going to create a plan for my teeth. And once they create that plan, it's emailed to me. If I like the way things look and I approve it, then they start working on my aligners. So I no longer have to go back into Candid Co. And even though it was so nice over there and they were so nice, I am really glad that I don't have to go back and everything is done at home. So I'm probably going to post another video when I receive the box and once I've tried everything on so that you guys see how it fits, if it's comfortable, if anything needs to be done. And yeah, if you guys want to try this at home, don't forget, use code JAY25 for 25% off your impression kit. All the impression kit is like this little foam thing that you put in your mouth. It has something in it that looks like clay, and you just put it in your mouth, send it off to them, and you don't have to leave your house at all. So again, that's code JAY25, and I will see you guys when my box gets here. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see how long my treatment is going to be. They have, by the way, they have already emailed me that they are working on it, so this is going to be super quick. Anyway, I will see you guys next time, and thanks so much for watching.